Welcome back to the series. If you're new here, I'm Daryna, and we've been diving deep into the world of quantity surveying. In episode 1, we broke down what a QS really does. Episode 2 was all about the value we bring to clients, how we're not just another cost, but a true investment. And now we're taking on a topic that a lot of professionals are worried about, even if they're not saying it out loud. Let me ask you, have you ever been sitting at your desk reviewing a spreadsheet or drafting a BOQ and thought, could a machine do this better? Or maybe you've heard whispers in the office about AI tools taking over tendering, automating takeoffs, or even replacing cost consultants entirely. Yeah, me too. Let's talk about it. First of all, the fear is valid. Automation is real. Technology is advancing faster than any of us expected. I remember working on a project in 2014 where we were still measuring drawings with scale rulers and highlighters. Fast forward just 5 years, and we were using cloud-based platforms that sync in real time, automate quantities, and flag inconsistencies. So yes, things are changing. But here's the thing, technology doesn't replace professionals, it replaces tasks. That's the difference. AI can help you measure faster, it can cross-check numbers quicker than a human ever could, it can even offer predictive cost modelling based on historical data. But here's what it can't do. Build trust with a client, negotiate a contract that requires nuance, spot a potential dispute before it escalates, or understand the unspoken dynamics in a room full of stakeholders arguing over scope. Let me give you a real-world story. I was once reviewing a package for a mixed-use development. The AI-generated BOQ looked perfect, accurate quantities, clean formatting, everything matched the drawings. But something felt off. One tiny spec line mentioned a non-standard fireproofing material that wasn't locally available. No machine would have caught it, but my experience told me to check with the supplier. Turns out sourcing that product would have delayed the project by 6 weeks and added additional procurement costs. That's the human edge. AI is a tool, just like BIM, Excel, or a calculator. It can make you better, but only if you know how to use it. So instead of fearing it, embrace it. Learn how these tools work. Understand the algorithms. Get comfortable with digital estimation platforms, because the QSs who thrive in the future won't be the ones resisting change, they'll be the ones leading it. Now, for those of you early in your career, or maybe you're transitioning from a more traditional role, you might be wondering, how do I start learning these tools? I get asked this all the time, and here's my honest advice. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with one software. Maybe it's Bluebeam, CMAR, or any other. Master it. Understand how it connects to your day-to-day work. Then move on to the next. Think of it like building a skill stack, layer by layer. And here's the exciting part. Tech is opening doors that didn't even exist 10 years ago. Remote QS roles, digital consultancy, data-driven decision support. I know a QS working from his apartment in Manchester, consulting on high-rise projects in Singapore, all because he knows how to leverage AI platforms and manage data workflows. That's the new frontier. Let me say this clearly. AI won't replace quantity surveyors, but quantity surveyors who use AI will replace those who don't. In the next episode, we're going to dive into a topic that could open doors to exciting new career opportunities. Quantity surveying, your passport to a global career. We'll explore the incredible international opportunities available to QS professionals and how to navigate them successfully. Whether you're considering a career abroad or looking to pivot into a higher role, this episode will give you the insight you need. We'll start by sharing some personal experiences from working internationally, discuss the countries with the highest demand for QSs, and touch on visa opportunities. We'll also cover how to adapt to different work cultures and environments, and most importantly, how to leverage that international experience for career advancement. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel where we'll keep the conversation going and share even more valuable resources to help you take the next step in your global career journey. If today's episode opened your mind a little or helped calm your fears, please leave a comment. I'd love to hear your take on AI and whether you've started using any tools in your work. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. It's going to be a game changer for your career. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.